A lot of stores, halal card, forest hill. It looks like kind of old Europe town. The houses here, the environment looks very classy. The shops here are like very stable and busy places. They have Red Panda, Banana Republic, Taco Bell, Pet Club, Sex Sack, Sephora, all the licensed cannabis dispensaries. Really amazing. Orchard is a gem of things. Nice neighborhood. Sephora, a lot of places for. Hello everyone. Today I'm in the Forest Hill, Queens, New York. It's a very nice neighborhood, and in the Forest Hill too, I am here in Nuts Factory. This is the one and only factory where all the nuts, Pringles, and everything are produced. And I'm about to do a tour over here. They have a very varieties of items, and we will do a strawberry explore. All right, let's go. So we're getting in. Let's see how it is. Oh, I see the variety of mangoes. Oh, I see. We got like a thing over here. It's oil free, dry roasted. And in Ghana, and like pecan, and in pistachio, and in walnut. Oh my god, there are like thousands of nuts here. What's that? Nutella covered cashew. That's good. Alright, wanna buy it? Sure, let's get one. We got here all the dried fruits. Turkish dry apricot, mango, mango. Some of these I don't even know the names. Sugar mango. It's a pretty big place. They got like hundreds of nuts over here. Like amazing. They got some bottles with nuts design on it. They got some candy. Huh? Halva, not that vanilla halva. Authentic sesame delight. Okay. Wow. Look at here. All dark chocolate here as well. Buy 1 pound or more, get 20% off on all the dark chocolates. That's pretty good deal. Dark chocolate, they have like 27 pounds. And it says handmade Belgian chocolate. Oh, okay. On sale. These are on sale, guys. They have like 79 pounds of chocolate. Wow. They make a gift box too if you want to give someone chocolate chips. Oh, wow. They have dual milk chocolate chips. Not spicy forest hill. It's located in Forest Hill, Austin Street, right? Yeah. Oh, they have like varieties of flavor. There's caramel, blueberry, what is this? Akamiki, matcha, there's chocolate with peanut butter and jelly. Really? Peanut butter and jelly with spicy. I don't even know what's that. Blueberry basic taste, blueberry pretzels. Look at this. Look at all the gummies can be made. This is a really amazing place. Not spicy. Look at it in Forest Hill Queens, guys. You guys are really into chocolate, nuts, wholesome almonds and dark chocolates and everything about chocolate. This is your place. It reminded me of when I was in Amsterdam in Netherlands. This nut factory is amazing. What's that? Nutella covered pastry. That's good. Wanna buy it? Sure, let's get one. We got here all the dried fruits. Turkish dry apricot, jumbo medjool bits. Some of these I don't even know the names.
Yeah, Nuts Factory is amazing, and they have so many nuts and chocolate and those kind of stuff. If you really want to buy some chocolates or if you like sweets, then you can come and visit this place. And I'm buying this one, like Dubai milk and white chocolate. Let's try it out. Hope it is really good.
Thank you.